Hello everybody and welcome back to the amazing show of Harvin Education, which is called 365 Days of 365 Courses, where we will discuss the different types of courses, the job opportunities, the eligibility criteria, the duration, and a lot more about the course. Today in frame we have Shashank with us, who is going to tell us about the Python full stack developer course that we offer. So hi Shashank, how are you?
I'm good, thank you. How are you?
I'm also great, thank you Shashank. So tell me about what exactly is this course, Shashank?
So as you know that in the IT sector there are different kind of languages, right? Like Python, Java, Mustard. Like there are different kind of language.
True.
But if you are a fresher right now, you can go for the Python itself, because in the other languages the easiest language is the Python.
Yes.
If you are a fresher and would like to go in IT sector, so definitely you can go for this course.
Okay. So is there any particular eligibility criteria or particular domain that is required for this
So
course?
there is no particular criteria that is you just need to be a graduate student. So
Okay.
after that you can opt for this course.
Graduation in any domain
Yeah,
works?
graduation in any domain.
Okay.
Because we have designed this course as per all the working students.
Okay.
If they are coming from a non-technical background,
Yes.
still they can opt for this course, because we will start from the very basic and step by step we go for the advanced.
Okay, because we teach from scratch to the end.
Yeah,
That is our
exactly.
motive.
Yeah.
So tell me about the job opportunities and job roles that might open up after the completion of it.
So once you're done with this course, for the fresher they can opt for the Python developer itself,
Okay.
or either they can go for the developer in front end or the back end itself.
Okay. How is it related to how is it Python related to full stack in this course?
So Python, if you talk about the full stack, so full stacks comes under there are different terms like full back end, front end, developer.
Okay.
Everything combines in a full stack course.
Okay.
So that's why it's all the things regarding Python combines in a Python full stack developer course.
Okay. So what is the duration for this?
So for the Python the full stack developer duration is 6 months.
6 months, and
Yeah,
the course is completed.
Yeah,
You are
exactly.
ready to apply for any job.
Yeah, exactly.
Tell me about the job support and internships that we provide.
So basically first of all we will provide you 6 months of training where you will find your projects, live projects that are hands-on experience project for the practical knowledge.
Okay.
And after that, once you're done with the certification, we will provide you 2 types of internship, short term and long term.
Okay.
Short term internship duration is 2 months and
Okay.
long term is 6 months.
Okay.
So you can opt for this any course as per your need and wants.
So just after the completion, we will provide the internship support.
Exactly, that is
And-
guaranteed internship.
Okay, and what about the job support then?
So once the internship is completed, you can eligible for the job support itself, because you will get some experience also. So you will not go in as a fresher.
Yes.
Yeah.
So we have our own job portal.
Yeah, exactly.
So anybody who I have completed my course from Harvin, a full stack developer course, and how will I opt for a job with the support of job support or job portal?
So you will get a
What is
job
the
portal
process?
from Henry Harvin. Okay. So that is totally customizable job portal.
Okay.
So where you can customize it according to yourself. For example, you need work from office, work from home, you can customize it. You
Okay.
need full-time job, part-time job, you can customize it.
Okay.
Once you've done the customization,
Yes.
you will get more than 10 plus job opportunities regarding Python developer every week.
Okay. That's
Whichever job or role you like, you just need to raise a request on that job portal.
Okay.
After that, our dedicated placement team will connect you and help you to conduct an interview for that company.
Okay, so we have a dedicated placement team for
Exactly.
that. Okay. So tell me about the accreditations and affiliations that we provide.
So if you talk about in particular domain in Java or Python full stack itself,
Yes.
we are directly affiliated with the government of India. That is first of all, that is MSME.
Yes.
Plus, we have also top ranked institute affiliation as well. That is UK CERT, UKAF, and American Association of Vietnam.
Okay, so that would definitely make our certificate worldwide acceptable.
Exactly, because as you know that the origin for the Python is from the America itself.
Yes.
So that's why we are directly affiliated with the American Association. So you will get a globally acceptable, that is worldwide acceptable certificate.
Okay, so anybody who wants to work abroad or who wants to start their career in abroad, they can use our certificate.
Exactly.
Anywhere in
You can
India.
show our certificate in any company in this world.
That's amazing, guys. So many highlight points, and still you're not enrolled for this amazing course. Thank you so much, Shashank, for coming and
You're
joining.
welcome.
Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. But don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to Harvin. Thank you.